Vaishnavi. Today I am talking about MRI and sound imaging. Magnetic resonance imaging. MRI means magnetic resonance imaging. MRI is a medical imaging technique used in radiology to form picture of the anatomy and the physiology process of the body. MRI scanner use strong magnetic field gradients and radio waves to generate imaging of the organs in the body. MRI does not involve X-ray or the use of ionizing radiation, which dis- distinguish it from CT and PET scan. MRI is a medical application of nuclear magnetic resonance, which can also be used for imaging in other NMR application, such as NMR spectroscopy. MRI is widely used in and hospitals and clinical for medical diagnosis, staging, and follow-up for diseases. MRI is most prominently used in diagnostic medicines and biomedical research. It also may be used to from image of non living objects such as mummies. Then diffusion MRI and functional MRI extend to utility to MRI to capture neuronal tract and system tract and blood flow respectively in nervous system. In addition to uh, det- detailed sta- spatial image, thus sustained increases in demand of MRI within uh, health system has led to concern about cost effectiveness and over diagnosis. That's all about MRI. Thank you.